It's funny how you don't see things from time to time. So this particular building, I don't recall really seeing it, and all these circular windows like that, and when you first look at it, it's like, where am I exactly? But I'm going to tell you exactly where we are. Right over there is the Visophonia Festival, and there's a goes all the way up to Carmel. And what we're going to be doing on this particular street is we're going to be going all the way down this way, and we're going to basically go directly down that way. And there's how do I explain it? Bomberos. It's like Plaza de Bomberos is down that way, and a parking garage, and you'll see. And then I'm also going to just talk briefly about this building, and then I'm going to show you that real quick as well. So I'm probably going to go around in the circle and then go down that way, and that's going to be our target street down that way. Okay. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay. So we are going to go down that way in a moment. They're doing some construction right here, so it's kind of interesting. They got all the scaffolding, and it's kind of a yellow side right there. So so I guess what's interesting about that is the way that this street is being developed more. Wow, never noticed the garden. But basically there's a nice garden right there too. When I first came to Macau, this street was kind of drab, all gray buildings, and now it's like really colorful and beautiful. And this is actually a separate street called Quartel, but our street's going to be down that way. But I'm just going to show off some of these areas right here. Coffee shop. And up there, there's a rooftop that shares all three roofs, and then it also goes up another one as well. So yeah, this is really changing quite a bit. There's a lot of different directions we could go here. More rooftops over there as well. And we're gonna go down our target street in a moment. And I'm gonna go down this little alley right here. This is a little beco. We could do Ferrero. And then we're gonna do our target street. So it's kind of funny, there's a little alley like that. Then you can see Rua de Cunhas down that way, and there's some other restaurants too, Shark Fins. And our alley that we're going to explore is right on the other side of this building. Right over there. So we're going to head down it. And then this is it right here. So this is actually our target street. There's an antique shop in yellow, so we're gonna go all the way down to the Bomberos. And it's called Rua do Delegado. And we started out right there. That's our target street right there. Delegado Street. Before we even go down, I just want to capture a couple things. For one, the windows look kind of cool. Especially that window right there. Kind of goes out a little bit. Okay. So we are going to go down, and the first thing we got is this really beautiful antique shop. And I don't plan to go into it, but we will do a little bit of window shopping and just kind of check it all out. Magnets, street names. These two are both in, this is in Coloman, and there's another one in Macau side. These two are both just down the street a little bit. Macau side, Coloman, Macau side. Anyways. Oh. I just filmed this one the other day, Barrio de Capoeira. I didn't even know about that street. I didn't know there was a Capoeira street. And then suddenly I was on it. So anyways, this is on Delegado. All these antiques. Yeah, I just saw this map before. It's kind of interesting. This was a map that they drew in 1594. Just the way that, I think the reflection, you can't really get a good sense of it, but it's a 1594 map. Yeah, this one almost looks like it's something out of time as well. I have looked at this before, and it's like, I think that's part of the school. Okay. So Delegado. Our Target Street. Now we kind of have a quiet stretch here. Is that My Little Pony? Actually, this is kind of interesting. This one on the side here. So yeah, that's a whole little community, and actually, like over there, and all that green is where the firecracker museum is at. So there's a wall right there, and then all of that is the firecracker museum, and this goes along the firecracker museum, and it's just kind of a row of businesses and apartments. Okay, we're gonna continue on. And we're gonna come out to the Bomberos, which is like Firehouse Plaza, and then straight ahead is kind of taps more into the Firecracker Museum. There's the Bomberos over there, the plaza. You can see some people. We're just gonna keep on walking straight. And it's kind of want to target all these tall buildings over there. That's Taipa Central. I'm gonna go straight up to the fence, actually. And then once I get there, I'm gonna turn around. But I want to go directly up here. Yeah, and I don't know what's going on here. This was like an empty lot, I think. So I think that's like a wall, and then this is one lot, and then I don't know what they're gonna do with it. But there's a lot of like stuff like that everywhere. Now it's growing over. And then on that side is the museum. So that all over there is the museum for the firecrackers. Then our Target Street was this one. Let's just go down this way briefly. Yeah, it's Bomberos over there. That's our Target Street there. We're just gonna go across real quick. I think I'm gonna end it over at Bomberos. But you know, basically on this particular street, it's kind of a periphery part of this tourist area. I always thought this building was kind of interesting. Now we come out to Bomberos, Largo dos Bomberos. People everywhere. So Kunyagai is right straight ahead. So yeah. Very popular tourist street right here. So we're gonna come back on out. So there we go. So that's Kunyagai, very popular, very often photographed, as you can see why. And our target street is right over there. So then that goes kind of into the Largo dos Bomberos. And we got all these kind of side streets, kind of tin homes, home, school. I'm back to our target street, off on the periphery. Delegado. Rua do Delegado. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.